Oh, golly, yeah. Oh, yeah. Got this dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, good fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh, yeah, it's a gar.
Oh, look at him. Knifing.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Get the skimmer. Oh. Yes.
Oh boy, he just made eye contact with you.
Oh! Oh! Taking that drag. That float's free floating, so it just takes lots of line. Even though it floats on the surface, there's a lot of extra line out there. There you go, get the leader back. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. Oh, look at that dude.
Cool, okay.
This one I think I'm about to release it. He takes off again.
Hey, I got a fish.
There we go.
Oh.
Yeah. Look at that.
That's his last. We're going to see him for a while.
Catch and release.
The old gar stick. Actually, a new gar stick.
Let's do it again.
Okay.